Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Ready Talk.
The channel where learning English is fun, easy, and full of laughter.
I'm Sora.
And I'm Alex. Hello, my friends.
How are you today, Alex?
I'm great, Sora. I just had a big breakfast.
You always start with food.
Of course, a full stomach makes a happy man.
That's true. So, what are we going to talk about today?
I've been thinking about taking a trip somewhere.
Oh, that's a great idea. How about today's topic is where you want to go?
Perfect. Traveling is exciting.
Yes. So, friends, stay with us to learn English while having fun talking about travel dreams.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ready Talk so you can join us every week.
All right, let's start our journey, not with a plane, but with words. So, Alex, tell me, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
That's easy. I want to go to Japan
Japan? Wow, why Japan?
because I love sushi, ramen, and anime.
So, food and cartoons?
Exactly. I want to eat sushi in Tokyo while watching anime on my phone.
That's such an Alex answer.
And I also want to see Mount Fuji. It looks so beautiful in pictures.
Oh, yes, it's amazing. I've seen photos. The mountain looks like it came from a painting.
Right? I want to take a selfie there with Mount Fuji behind me.
That would be a great picture. But do you speak Japanese?
Just a little. I can say arigato.
That's a good start. It means thank you.
See? I'm ready for Japan already.
Okay, but don't forget konnichiwa. It means hello.
Got it. I'll say konnichiwa sushi.
Alex, you can't say hello to sushi.
Why not? Sushi is my friend.
You're so funny. Okay, my turn. I really want to go to Italy.
Ooh, Italy. Pasta, pizza, and beautiful cities.
Exactly. I want to eat pizza in Naples and pasta in Rome.
Grinning. So you also travel for food.
Maybe, but I also want to see art and history.
Like the Colosseum?
Yes, and also Venice, the city with water streets.
That's so cool. You can ride a boat instead of a car.
Yes, they call it a gondola. I'd love to ride one someday.
Sounds romantic.
Maybe, but I just think it's beautiful and peaceful.
So Italy for you, Japan for me, we both want good food.
Of course, food makes travel perfect.
You know, Sora, I also want to go to the Maldives.
Wow, the Maldives. That's a dream place.
Yes, the beaches are so blue and clear.
It looks like paradise.
I saw a picture, small houses right on the water.
Oh, yes, those water villas. They're so beautiful.
I just want to lie in a hammock, drink coconut juice, and do nothing.
That sounds like you, lazy vacation style.
Hey, that's the best way to relax.
True, but I'd want to swim and snorkel there.
I just float like a sea turtle.
You'd look cute as a sea turtle.
Thank you. Sea Turtle Alex coming soon to the Maldives.
You know where else I want to go?
Where?
I want to go to Paris, France.
Ah, the city of love.
Yes, I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Me too. I saw it once in a movie. It's so romantic.
And I want to eat croissants and drink coffee in a little cafe.
Pretends to sip coffee. Bonjour, Sora.
Bonjour, Alex.
Oui, oui. Très bien.
That's your French?
Grinning. That's all I know, but it sounds cool, right?
You sound like a cartoon French chef.
Maybe I'll open a cafe there. Cafe Alex.
What would you sell?
Instant noodles with a French name. Nouilles de Alex.
You're crazy.
Crazy but creative.
So we have Japan, Italy, the Maldives, and France. Wow, we're traveling the world.
Yeah, we need a lot of money.
True. We can start saving now.
I'll start by saving coins. Maybe in 100 years I can go to Japan.
Come on, you can do it faster.
Okay, maybe 99 years.
You're impossible. What about local places, Alex? Is there somewhere near you that you want to visit?
I want to go to the mountains.
Oh, you like nature?
Yes, I want to breathe fresh air and see trees everywhere.
That sounds lovely.
I'm tired of city noise, cars, horns, people shouting.
I understand. Sometimes nature helps you feel peaceful.
Exactly, and maybe I can cook something outdoors.
Wait, cook? You can't even cook at home.
I can cook hot dogs over a campfire.
Okay, that's a start. I also want to visit the beach.
Oh, beaches are the best.
Yes, I love the sound of waves and the feeling of sand on my feet.
Me too, but I hate when sand gets in my shoes.
Then take them off.
Then it gets in my hair.
You're never happy, are you?
I am. I just want a clean beach with no sand.
That's impossible, Alex.
Then I'll make my own beach, only water and food.
You mean a swimming pool with snacks?
Exactly.
Alex, have you ever been on an airplane?
Yes, once.
Really? Where did you go?
Just to another city, but it was fun. I loved looking out the window.
Oh, yes, it's beautiful to see the clouds and the sky.
I felt like I was in a movie.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Yes, but my ears popped.
That happens. You can chew gum next time.
Thanks for the tip. Next time I fly to Japan, I'll take 5 packs.
Good idea. What's one country you don't want to go to?
Maybe somewhere too cold.
Like where?
Maybe Antarctica.
That's not even a country, Alex. It's full of ice.
Exactly. I don't want to freeze like a popsicle.
But there are penguins.
True, but I can see penguins in the zoo.
Fair enough. What about you?
I don't want to go anywhere too hot.
Grinning, so no desert for you. Nope, I'd melt like ice cream.
Then we'll travel together. I'll bring a fan, you bring ice.
Deal.
You know, Sora, traveling is not just about seeing places.
That's right. It's also about learning.
Yeah, we can learn about culture, language, and food.
And people. Meeting new people is the best part.
True. Everyone has stories.
Exactly. Travel makes your heart and mind bigger.
Aw, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
But my stomach gets bigger too because of all the food.
Typical Alex. Do you like to travel alone or with friends?
With friends, of course, is more fun.
Yes, sharing moments makes everything better.
And also, someone can help take pictures of me.
So that's the real reason.
Exactly. I need good pictures for social media.
You're such a tourist.
I am. I love taking pictures of food too.
You love food more than travel.
Food is travel.
Do you like to plan your trips or just go with the flow?
I like both, but maybe a little plan is good.
Yeah, planning helps you save time and money.
True, but sometimes getting lost is fun too.
That's true. You find surprises that way.
Like a secret cafe or a quiet street.
Exactly. That's the magic of travel.
I also want to visit my grandparents' hometown.
Oh, that's sweet. Where is it?
It's a small village near the mountains.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I want to see where my dad grew up.
That's a great reason to travel, to learn about family history.
Yeah, it feels special, like connecting with the past.
I love that, Alex.
Thank you.
Well, Alex, we talked about so many amazing places today.
Yes, Japan, Italy, the Maldives, France, mountains, beaches. Wow.
And a lot of food.
Always food.
I hope one day we can visit some of those places.
Me too. Maybe we'll travel together and make videos for Ready Talk.
That would be awesome. English and travel in one adventure.
Yes, Ready Talk around the world.
I love that.
But before we go, let's remind our friends, don't forget to subscribe to Ready Talk.
Like, share, and comment below. Tell us, where do you want to go?
Maybe we'll talk about your dream place next time.
That's right. And remember,
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep dreaming.
see you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye, friends.
Now, Sora, let's go eat sushi and plan our trip to Japan.